First, take a look at this incredible AI niche, the wooden car ASMR niche. In these videos, we show the complete process of transforming a simple block of wood into a highly detailed miniature car. This type of satisfying craftsmanship content is going viral right now, and some creators are already generating millions of views and making serious money from it. The interesting thing about AI content is that whenever a fresh and unique concept starts performing well, people adopt it very quickly. And I know many of you keep commenting, "Please give us better prompts," or "Show us properly how we can generate these videos for free." But guys, if you simply copy a prompt without understanding the complete process, you won't get the same results. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you the complete workflow from start to finish. How to choose the right car, how to create professional prompts, how to generate realistic wooden car visuals, and most importantly, how you can turn those images into satisfying ASMR-style videos. So make sure you watch the complete video, because once you understand this workflow, you won't be limited to just one car. You can use the same method to create videos around hundreds of different vehicles, build an entire content series, and potentially turn this simple AI niche into a long-term channel idea. These ready-made prompts are already prepared for you, and I've spent a lot of time and effort creating them. I designed these prompts to include everything you saw in the videos at the beginning. And don't worry, the videos I showed you at the start were actually generated using these exact prompts. I haven't used any fake examples or shown you something different just to make the results look better. Everything you need to create this type of realistic wooden car ASMR content is already included in the prompt, from the wooden carving process and fine detailing to the finishing touches and final cinematic result. To make this even easier, I also used ChatGPT to create a list of 100 different car names. You can simply choose any car from that list and add its name at the end of the prompt. For example, if you want to create a Lamborghini, Ferrari, Toyota Supra, BMW, or any other car, just add that vehicle name and generate your content. This means one master prompt can give you hundreds of different video ideas, so you don't have to create a completely new prompt every single time. Alright guys, now let's move on to our free AI video tool. I'll drop the website link in the description. It's called Google Vids. This platform comes with many powerful features, but right now, our complete focus is on creating high-quality AI videos for this wooden car ASMR niche. And listen carefully, because this part is extremely important. Here, we are not going to use the image-to-video option. The process is actually much simpler. Once you open the video generation section, take the complete ready-made prompt that I provided and paste the entire prompt directly into the prompt box. Now, at the very end of that prompt, you'll see the option where you need to insert the vehicle name. This is where our list of 100 cars becomes useful. Simply go to the car name list we created with ChatGPT, choose any one car you want to make a video about, copy its name, and paste it at the end of the master prompt. For example, you can choose Toyota Supra, Lamborghini Aventador, Ferrari Roma, BMW M4, Porsche 911, or any other vehicle from the list. You don't need to change the complete prompt every time. Just replace the car name at the end. Then click Generate and let the AI create the video for you. The most important thing here is to stay focused on the car niche. Don't randomly start inserting motorcycles, airplanes, animals, or unrelated objects. We are building a wooden car ASMR content series, so keep generating different cars using the same proven format. One video can be a Lamborghini, the next can be a Ferrari, then a Toyota Supra, a Porsche, a Mercedes, and so on. This gives you a huge amount of content from one master prompt. The results can look incredibly realistic, with detailed wooden carving, satisfying craftsmanship, realistic textures, smooth movement, cinematic lighting, and that premium ASMR feeling we want for this niche. Once your first video is generated, download it and then repeat the exact same process with another car. Copy the master prompt, change only the vehicle name at the end, paste it, and generate again. That's it. You don't need to make the process complicated. You already have the prompt, You already have 100 car names, and now you have the tool to generate the videos. This means you can create an entire channel around this one niche without struggling every day to find a completely new idea. Just remember, don't blindly copy everything and expect success overnight. Test different cars. See which designs get better views. Improve your titles and thumbnails. And stay consistent. Start with the free tools. Learn the workflow properly. And once your channel starts generating income, you can always move toward more advanced paid tools. So follow the steps exactly. Start creating your wooden car ASMR videos. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected, because I'll keep bringing you more AI niches, prompts, and free tools that you can actually use. And Google Vids is not your only option. You can also generate the same type of high-quality wooden car ASMR videos using Flow AI. The process here is also extremely simple. First, open the video generation section and make sure you select Omni mode. After that, copy the exact same master prompt that I shared with you earlier and paste the complete prompt into the video section. You don't need to rewrite anything or create a new prompt. Just go to the end of the prompt where it asks you to insert a car name, choose any car from our list, paste the name there, and click Generate. Now give the AI a little time to process everything, and your video will be ready. Let me show you the result of my first test. Just look at this video. It starts with the car being created in a beautiful wooden craftsmanship style, with detailed carving, realistic wood texture, and satisfying ASMR-style movements. Then, as the sequence continues, the wooden model transforms smoothly into a realistic full-size car. Just look at how clean and cinematic that transformation is. The lighting, reflections, details, and transition from wood to the real vehicle look absolutely amazing. After that, I generated my second video. I followed exactly the same process again. I copied the same master prompt, pasted it into Flow AI, selected a completely different car name from our list, inserted that name at the end, and clicked Generate. And here is the second result. Again, the AI followed the same wooden car concept, but because we changed the vehicle name, we got a completely different video. Look at the detailing, and especially the final transformation. The wooden miniature gradually becomes a realistic car, and the whole sequence feels smooth and professionally created. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the complete process. If you found it useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for more AI niches, free tools, prompts, and content ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.